Hi all, this is Rahul from IHRA. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what all are the things we'll be learning inside an ATS software or an Applicant Tracking System software. So what we are going to first learn is going into the settings area and setting up the whole software as per our company need. So first, let us go into the settings area. Here, we'll be first learning how to set up the general section of the settings area. Here, we'll be first learning about profile, where you can manage your personal profile and preferences, and under company details you will be learning how to configure your company information and settings. Next is team and access. Here under the user role we will be able to define roles and permission for your team members. Under the users you will be able to manage team members and access levels, and also under the vendors help you to configure external recruitment partnerships. Moving to the recruitment setup. Here you will be learning how to organize your company structure through departments. We'll be learning hiring managers. You can assign and manage hiring managers to individual jobs. Under the job approval, you will be learning how to create approval workflows for job postings. Under the hiring pipeline, it helps you to customize each stage of your recruitment process. And screening questions, here you will be learning how to create pre-screening questions for candidates. And under the career page, you will be learning how to design your public career page. Under the communication area, you will be learning how to create email templates and manage personalized recruitment emails. We will also be learning about how to configure email settings and signatures. And also under the notification, you will be able to learn how to manage alerts and updates. Under the integrations and tools section, you will be learning how to connect email accounts, calendars, and with other job boards such as Naukri, Monster. And finally, under the system section, you will be learning how to set up automation workflows under this section. Then also we'll be learning on how to compliance set with GDPR. And then finally, we'll be learning about how to manage subscriptions and payment for this ATS software, which normally will be done by accounts department. We will start learning on how to create a job. So this is the area where you will be adding new jobs. Whenever you are having an opening in your company or for your client, you have to come here and click on add new job. Here you can see three settings. One is start from blank, where you can create a new job just by filling in details ourselves. We'll also be learning how to paste job details if someone has shared the job description with you, and it will automatically fill out the form for us to review it and then place it inside the ATS. And finally, you can also upload job file, which is job description, in these formats: text, PDF, docs or RTF file, and it will let you add that job inside the ATS as well. While creating a new job, you will be first learning about job details, where you manage all the important information about this job. Then we'll be learning about benchmark resume, which helps define the ideal candidate profile by setting a sample resume or preferred qualifications to match applicant against, because everything works automatically. Then we'll be learning about hiring team, where you assign recruiters, hiring managers and team members who will be involved in the hiring process. Then we'll be learning about job application, where you configure the application form and decide what details candidate need to submit when applying. After that, we'll be learning about hiring pipelines, where you'll be learning how to customize each stage of your recruitment workflow from application received to final selection. Then we'll be learning about automation, where you create automatic actions such as emails, follow-up, candidate movement, and workflow triggers. Under the interview scorecard section, you will be learning how to allow interviewers to evaluate candidates using structured scorecards and feedback forms. And finally, you will be learning about Get More Applicants, where you will be promoting your job openings across multiple job portals to attract more candidates. And your job gets posted in all these job portals. We'll also be learning about job links. We'll also be able to learn on how to create the career page and also how to configure and set up the career page for your organization. Once you create a job, that job will be listed in this area. You can also see candidates flowing in from different job portals. To manage these candidates and to shortlist them and to process them, you need to click on this link. Once you click on this link, you will be reaching this area. Under this section, we'll be learning how to use the powerful candidate and job action features inside ATS software. It includes submitting the candidates to clients, emailing candidates, changing candidate statuses, sending pre-screening questions, parsing resumes, adding tags, adding candidates to job, export to Excel, deleting candidates if required, and then editing and cloning of the job. We'll also be learning how to manage individual candidates in this section. Here we'll be able to see all the details and communications that we have made with the candidate. Under this section, we'll be learning how to track every activity and update related to the candidate. Under the screening answers, we'll be learning on how to manage the responses submitted by the candidate during the application process. Under the notes section, we'll be managing all the notes, where internal notes and comments and feedbacks which we have received among the team members inside the recruitment team. Under the email session, we'll be learning how to communicate with the candidate within the platform itself, and to manage all the communication history with the candidate. Under the document session, we'll be learning on how to manage all the documents pertaining to this candidate like Aadhaar card, PAN card, resume, everything can be collected and stored here under the document session. Then we'll be learning about interview feedback, which helps us to collect and review interview evaluations done by the hiring managers. Under the event session, we'll be learning on how to schedule and manage interviews and all the meetings pertaining to this job. And finally, if this candidate is selected, we'll be learning on how to automatically create, send and track offer letters. We'll also be learning other communication methods over here, and also how to shortlist and maintain all the automations related over here. And finally, we'll be learning on how to manage the candidate database. Then we'll be learning on how to run ad campaigns for paid job portals by going into this section. We'll be then learning on how to manage companies, clients, customers, vendors of ours in this section. And finally, we'll be learning on how to generate various kinds of reports, such as job reports, user reports, vendor reports, resume upload reports, time to fill reports, and also the latest recruitment trends using AI. So we'll be covering complete ATS and recruitment process in depth inside our IHRA program. So if you want to get more details regarding the IHRA program or to enroll for the program, contact us today. Thank you.